What's up everyone, it's your boy MZ. Today we're opening up a Jirachi Gx box. Make sure to subscribe and like the video if you do like it. And today we're gonna see if the Jirachi Gx box is worth opening. So I'm gonna do a little review on that today. It's gonna be the video, so make sure to tune in. So first open up the box. You get some promo cards. So today I'm opening up two. So you get 2 Lucarios, 2 Dusai, and 2 Jirachi GX. They're worth about $5 each, 50 cents each, another 50 cents each. And what do you get when you also get 2 Pikachu coins and 2 Shaman coins worth about $1 each also. So when you open up the box, what do you get in terms of a booster box? So everything is going to be doubled. So you get, so since I opened up two, I have 2 Fates Collide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, 3, 4. Should be about 6 Sun and Moon. Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. This one got misplaced on the other one. And we got ourselves 2 evolutions. These are going for $20 each, by the way. So this is already a good value for this. And you got 2 Steam Siege, Lackluster set, and 2 Breakpoint. So that being said, we're gonna open them all up today and see which ones. Let's see if we got some good pulls or not. So I'm gonna start off with Steam Siege. Let's start off. This is X and Y, so only 3 cards. There's no energy card. And let's see what we got. Inferno, Ninja Boy, Clang, Nidoran, Fungus, Mankey, Kling, Mantine. Oh, the Nidoran as a Rosalo, and Hydreigon as the rare. Not bad. Not a bad rare to pull. So that's number 1. Let's go with the Siege number 2. So again, 3 cards. Let's go. Persian, Rapidash, Desert Charge, Ancher, Panyanma, Sneasel, Litleo, Gastrodon, and Arbaldo as the rare. Let's continue with X and Y with Breakpoint. It's a little better set than the one we just opened up. Let's see what we get here. 3 cards. Got Tierno, Oyster, Kricketune, Timple, Clefairy, Chikorita, Strings, Numel. Oh, and we got ourselves a break card, Raticate. Nice, nice. And a Shiftry. Nice. Not the most expensive cards. I'm gonna put all the prices on my left corner when I do check them all out. But not a nice pull. Not a bad pull. Not the best, but not terrible either. That's good. Let's see if we can keep on the roll going. There, Tresic Dry, All Night Party, Timple, Spritzy, Scrub, Honedge, Ducklet. Oh, and another Eradicate. Wow. This twice in a row. The same card. Alright. So far, nothing special. We're gonna head up with the Sun and Moons this time. See what we can get in the Sun and Moon sets. Fire. It's a Earth Energy card. Spinda, Lily, Herdier, Cosmog, Litten, Psyduck, Bounsweet. Oh, double energy as special as the reverse holo and the gold duck. Nice. Let's continue on with the Sun and Moon base set. Fire, that's Fairy. Switch card. Q, Big Masalada. Carvana, Snowball, Winko, Cosmog, Polio, and Hariyama. Nothing great on that one. On to next. Fire energy card, Psychic, Korok, some Spider, XP Share, Diglett, another Spider, Meowth, Growlithe, Rogorola, Toucando, and oh wow! Espeon GX! I think it's the Espeon GX. Wow, nice card. Very nice. I think it's the full art one. Very nice. Let's keep going. Fire. Oh, fire energy card. Guessed it right. Complete. Corsola. Treevol, Rowlet, Drowsy, Cutiefly, Kihuta, Snowball, Rongarola, and Eric. So the next one right here. Earth, Steel. Let's go. Team Skull Clone, Poison Dark, Charabug, Togemaru, Grimer, Romantis, Cosmog, Rongerola, Hall, and Bruxis as the rare. The last base Sun and Moon. See if we get a good pull out of this one. Psychic. Oh, water. And we have the Brionne, Timer Ball, Boulder, Togemaru, Makuhita, Caterpie, Paris, Yongus, Pasmia, and wow! Gunshoot GX Hyper Rare. Nice. That's the most valuable, not the most valuable card in the set, but still a secret rare. Alright, next up we have, let's do, keep some of the older ones for later. Let's do Sun and Moon. But of course, it's not a great set. That's good, we still get some interesting cards. Fire, Fairy, Fighting Memory, Growler, Olga, Hondur, Dino, Carablast, Jama-O, Mankey, Jigglypuff as the reversed, and Beedrill. There you go, got it. Psychic, Steel, let's go, Fighting Memory, Catcher, Kunao, Shelmet, Genmo, Stario, Hondur, Ghastly, Weedle as the reversed, and oh, Silvally GX. Very nice card. Another hit. Another nice rare added to the collection. Opening up the next one. Quicken. So if we get a good hit here. Fire, Dark Energy card, Fighting Memory, Lyron, Psychic Memory, Carablast, Dino, Hondur, LB, Shelios. Oh, nice energy card, and full art Gladion. Nice. Even the energy card is very nice. So this goes in here. got ourselves a full art trainer card. Very nice. Alright, opening up another one. Let's see if we can get something good in this one also. Fire energy card, water. Let's go. Spark Fields, Pill Swine, Big Memory, Pikachu. Oh, Pikachu. We got ourselves a Pikachu card. Metro, Magic Carp, Manobi, Chimchurro, and another Beedrill. Alright, next one. Carablast. So we got ourselves a good card here. Let's see. Water energy card. Got ourselves this Villas, Devoured Fields, Piloswine, Carablast, LB, Chimchurro, Mel, Starly. Oh, did I spoil it? No, Fighting Harvey as the Rosello, and Buzzwole GX. Nice looking card, but it's not worth a lot. Alright, and we have the last Sun and Moon card. Let's see what we got in here. 3, Fire, nope. Let's see what we got. Komodo, Fighting Memory, Hunter, Sino, Execute, Jigglypuff, Houndour, Spoink, Remoraid, and Lowland Raichu. Nice. Alright, we still have 2 more, so next up, Fates Collide. Let's see what we can get from these 2 sets. No energy cards in this set. For them. Old Amber, Aerodactyl, Scorched Earth, Moonzor, Godarida, Riolu, Cottonee, Burmy. Oh! Reversed Hollow Moltres, which was upside down, apparently. And we got ourselves a Tyranitar. Nice on the reversed hollow there. It was weird that was upside down. We'll take it. We'll take when they give that. No energy card again. Wheezing, wow. Power Memory, Spirit Link, Meowth, Binacle, Godarita, Fennekin, and wow, White Kerm as the reverse hollow, pretty nice. And we have Motim as the rare. Another very nice card. Now, to open up the 2 remaining evolutions pack. These are actually going for pretty decent prices. Hopefully we get something good. Blastoise Birthlink, Energy Trio, Magmar, Doduo, Ponyta. Gotta love these art styles, the OG art styles. Switch. And we got a Duck Trio as the rare. And the last one. Oh, got ourselves the energy card. So, Full Heal, Choke, Switch, the energy card, Magikarp, Seal, Poliwag, Tangela, Machoke, and Raticate. My god, we hit a lot of Raticates today. And also, as a bonus, I decided to add in 3 Unbroken Bonds. Let's see what we get here. Fire Energy. Oh, Eric. Let's see what we get. Porygon 2. Golbat. Geodude. Wow, nice arts on the Geodude. Kitten. Froakie. Carbrawler. Oddish. Rhyhorn. And Persian as the rare. The next one. Power plant. Oh, forgot the energy card. Laron. Green's Exploration. Sparrow. Look at that. Litten. Krabby. Tangela. All Macros the reversed. And we have Seeking. There was an energy card. The last pack of this video. Hopefully we ended with a banger. Let's see. Fire. Great if you get a secret rare here. Koga's Trap. Hopefully it's not a trap. Charbug. Poliwag. Spritzy. Lickitung. Venonat. Sparrow. Poliwag. And a Golem as the rare. So in the end, was it worth it? Kind of hard to tell without looking up all the values of these cards. But I think it wasn't probably not that worth it to opening up a GX box unless you really want the promo cards, which are these. Other than that, I don't think it's a product that has a lot of potential except for the XY evolution packs that everyone wants to have a piece of, but other than that, it's not really that worth it. Total, it's gonna be just below the prices of all the hits that we got today. Alright, if you liked the video, leave it a like. You can also share the video, and I'll see you next time. It's your boy MZ signing off. Have a good one. Bye.